Let's DIY an Easter coffee bar for spring using supplies from the Dollar Tree and the Dollar Spot at Target. I got this little sign at the Dollar Spot, but they have the same sign at the Dollar Tree without the slatted board on the back. I designed a free printable of an Easter bunny that is so cute. I will include that in the comments below today's video. I printed mine out on cardstock and I'm just going to cut it down to size. They're almost exactly the same size as a sheet of paper, these little board signs, and I am going to attach it with a Mod Podge. Now I do want it to be nice and white, so I went over it with just a blank piece of cardstock first to cover up that wood so none of the wood will show through. And then I'm going to use more Mod Podge. I love Mod Podge and cardstock because it doesn't wrinkle. It's really easy to work with, and I'm going to glue on my top one. You could also use a Dollar Tree frame if you can't find the wood sign. I like to Mod Podge directly on the glass of those and then use the frame. That totally works. They have wood frames. And then I'm going to Mod Podge over the top. It's going to give it a great texture. It's going to make it, not susceptible to being stained and a little bit more durable. It gives it like almost a painting finish. The next item is from the Dollar Tree. It was $5. So cute. One of their little Sissel bunnies. How adorable is this? I think this is going to go great on my spring coffee bar for Easter. He has a little net and a little flower. I love him. He doesn't need anything. He's going to go right up there as well on my Easter coffee bar that I filled up with tons of DIYs. The next item is one of the little chunky carrot signs from the Dollar Tree. I designed an orange gingham to go over this. I think that would be really cute. And I printed this out on cardstock as well. I will include a link to the orange gingham down below as well. I just flipped it over and sketched out the carrot on here. At first, I was going to do the carrot and the greenery, and then I kind of realized how intricate that cut was for the greenery, and I changed my mind, and I decided just to cover the carrot. What am I doing? So I just went ahead and cut out the carrot. I think that will be fine with the orange gingham, and these are so fun to decorate. They have bunnies, chicks, carrots. I love these signs from the Dollar Tree. They stand up on their own. They work great. I just use Mod Podge to attach the cardstock on mine and a sanding sponge to make sure that I got it cut down perfectly to size, and then I go over the top of it. I really prefer the matte Mod Podge from the Dollar Tree for not a very shiny finish. And this is how it looks on my coffee bar. Let me show you how all of the Dollar Tree Easter DIYs turned out together. If you would like more Easter crafting inspiration, be sure to check out my YouTube channel at Crafty Beach. And until next time, happy crafting!